Hello and welcome to vinyledition.co.uk. It's Graham here, just wanting to give you a quick overview of our custom vinyl lettering tool that's on our website. If you navigate to our website, in the top right hand corner you will find a custom vinyl lettering tool link. Click on that and it will bring up the custom lettering tool box. It's all very simple. All you need to do is insert the name that you require here. It started previewing down at the bottom, so then you can choose the font that you require. So we'll go for balloon, and it changes down here again. You can then pick the colour that you require. I'll show you down here. This is just for illustration purposes. The vinyl may be slightly different colour to this. You can then pick the size that you require the names to be. So we'll say a meter, and it gives you a proportional size. It won't stretch the letters in any way. You can then put in the quantity that you require and add it to the basket. As I say, it's all very simple. You then if you go to your cart, you'll see it's been added to your cart, and you can proceed to checkout and complete your order. Thanks for watching. Graham at vinyledition.co.uk.